So hi guys, welcome to the channel Learn Concepts with Nikil, Discover, Learn and Grow. So in this particular video, this is the lecture 29, right? This is the lecture 29. I don't know what video it is, like somewhere between 30, 33 to 34, 34th video. I don't know. But yeah, this is the lecture 29. And in this lecture, we will be learning about guesstimates in management consulting. Not only in this lecture, upcoming 2 to 3 videos also, we will be learning about guesstimates, right? We will be solving some different guesstimates. So guesstimates is nothing but we will be not having exact data. The problem statement will be very vague, very Manato, it will be very vague. We will not be having exact data and anything, but we will be thinking logically and we will be coming up with an answer. That is called the guesstimates, and we will be learning about guesstimates in the future videos as well as in the future slides too. So guesstimates is not only a mandatory interview round in management consulting, but it is also a mandatory interview round in product management as well as data analytics, data analysis, and business analytics, business analysis. So learning the concepts of guesstimates is a must for you guys. So yeah, I'm saying the guesstimates are related to management consulting, but it is also applicable for product management, data analysis, and business analysis. So think in broader perspective. So yeah, let's jump into the video. What are guesstimates? Guesstimates are nothing but a guess plus estimates, right? We will be guessing the data. We will be guessing the problem, right? Let's see what is the formal definition of guesstimates. A structured way of estimating a number logically when exact data is not available. So we will not be having exact data, right? We will not be having exact data and the problem statement will be very vague. But we will be thinking logically in a structured way to come up with an answer, right? To come up with a solution, to come up with a number. So that is called guesstimate, and we will be seeing some examples of guesstimates in the future slides too. Yes. Okay. So used in consulting interviews and real life business decisions. Not only in consulting interviews, I said you're right. It is also used in product management interviews as well as business and data analytics and analysis interviews. So you need to know and you need to be perfect with guesstimates, guys. So real life business decisions, it is also used in real life business decisions. Why? Because in real life business, now there will not be exact data. Like exact data will not be there. Right? It won't be present, right? So we need to come up with a different answer. We need to think logically. We need to think in a structured way, and we need to come up with an answer. We need to come up with a number. So that is the reason why guesstimates are very important. It improves our it guesstimates will be improving our logical reasoning, logical thinking, as well as structured way thinking, right? So that is the reason why we will be using and we will be learning guesstimates now. So why do we use guesstimates? To test structured thinking, right? So we can grow structured thinking, logical reasoning, logical thinking with the help of guesstimates to check common sense and assumptions. So yeah, it's quite intuitive. You can understand, right? So third point is to solve open-ended questions quickly, as intuitive as possible, right? So you can understand by reading the lines. This is the reason why we'll be using guesstimates, and let's see what are the different types of guesstimates. Karke. So let's see what are the types of guesstimates, right? First is population-based data. Estimate the number of something in a city or country. Let's say an example. How many people buy toothpaste every month in Mumbai? So what is the number of population who are buying toothpaste every month in Mumbai? So here the problem statement. Here the problem statement is very vague, right? Here the problem statement or challenge is very vague. There is no exact data. How can we know who are the people buying toothpaste, right? But we will be using a logical reasoning. We will be thinking in the logical way and we will be thinking in the structured way and we will be coming up with an answer. In the next video also, we will be doing guesstimates practically so that you can also understand how we are approaching guesstimates karke, how we are coming up with a number karke. Here the problem statement is very vague, guys, very vague. How many people buy toothpaste every month in Mumbai? We didn't have proper data. We didn't have exact data. There is no data only. Forget about exact data. There is no data only. There is no nothing. There is no nothing. The problem statement is also very vague. But we will be thinking in a structured way. We will be thinking in a logical way, and we will be coming up with an answer. So don't worry, guys. In the next videos, we will be learning about this. So that is population based guesstimate. And next is demand based. So estimate based on a customer demand and behavior. So we will be seeing the demand for the particular product or particular service. So how many pizzas are ordered daily in Hyderabad? So that is the demand, right? Demand of the customers. Here also in this problem statement, there is no exact data. There is no data only. Forget about exact data. There is no data only. The problem statement is very vague, right? But we will be thinking in a logical way and we will be coming up with an answer. So third one is product based. Estimate the product use, sales or consumption. How many smartphones are sold in India every year? Again, there is no what you can say. There is no exact data. There is no data only, but we will be coming up with an answer by using guesstimates. I'll be saying you that in the next video. Next, revenue based. Estimate Ola's annual revenue in Hyderabad. So revenue based भी होगा. Like there will be population based, demand based, demand of an what you can say, demand of an product or service. Estimating the population. Product based माने तो how many products are sold, how many products are used, how many products are consumed करके. As well as revenue based. What is the revenue of the particular region? What is the revenue of the particular city of the particular country? What is the revenue of the particular product of the particular city करके कुछ ऐसा होगा. Like there will be revenue based estimates too. And next, infrastructure based estimates. So how many petrol pumps are there in India? So based on infrastructure. But see, all these guesstimates have one thing in common. That is, there is no data and every problem statement is vague. And we need to think logically. We need to think in a logical reasoning way and structured way so that we can come up with a answer. So in this all problem statements, right? Population based, demand based, product based, infrastructure based, revenue based. In this all problem statement examples, there is one thing common. There is no proper data. There is no exact data. There is no proper data and exact data. And the problem statement is too vague, right? So interviewer will be asking this type of questions in order to check our, and in order to test our logical reasoning and structured way thinking. So we will be doing some practical examples of the guesstimates in the next videos too. So bye guys. This in this video I have said about what are guesstimates as well as types of guesstimates. In the next video we will be learning about must to know numbers for guesstimates as well as we will be learning about top down approach and bottom up approach. Top down approach is nothing but we will be approaching guesstimates in the two approaches, guys. With the help of two approaches, we may follow any one approach, top down approach or bottom up approach. We will be learning about those also, top down and bottom up. So bye guys.